809 grams of suspected heroin number 4 powder have been seized by Kakching police. The said seizure was effected by teams of Commando Unit Kakching led by Inspector MD Abbas Khan and assisted by Subedar Khetirmiyum Prakash in Palel. One Vitara Brezza vehicle, maroon in color, was asked to stop for checking but it tried to evade. However, after small pursuit, the vehicle was detained. The driver of the vehicle and the occupant were detained for verification and they were identified as Nauba Takilambam, 36 years old. He is a resident of Bishnupur district but at present he is staying at Chikim village in More. The occupant was identified as Lingjing Kipgen, who is a resident of Zalan 5 Patu More, Tegnopal district. The vehicle was searched after observing necessary formalities and from that 65 numbers of soap cases containing suspected heroin number 4 powder were detected. Suspected drugs was weighed and found to be 809 grams in total and the two persons, the driver and the occupant, were arrested subsequently. The arrested persons along with the seized drugs will be handed over to Kakching police station for further necessary action. I take this opportunity to commend Inspector MD Abbas Khan, OC Commando Unit Kakching and Subedar Khetirmiyum Prakash for effecting this seizure in our effort towards War on Drugs 2.0.